If you're a business owner constantly saying, my team never listens, or why do I have to follow up 10 times to get anything done? If clients keep chasing you despite your timelines, or worse, they don't take your timelines seriously, then this video is for you. Because that frustration, it often starts with something very basic. Your word. This video is part of my ongoing series on setting up systems for yourself first. Because if you can't function systematically, your business never will. So far, we've talked about planning your day and sticking to that plan, recentering yourself when things go off track, and decluttering as you go. All of this sets you up to build effective business systems. But none of it will stick unless you always do what you say and say what you do. I'm Rashmi Joshi, born into business and obsessed with systems. I've bought and streamlined a 25-year-old business, automated it and scaled it. Now I help entrepreneurs do the same with the magic of systems. And if there's one thing that shaped my work ethic early on, it's this. Ever since I was in school, my father had one non-negotiable rule in the house. If you say you will do something, you do it. No excuses. And that habit, it has stuck ever since. So listen to this. Every time you casually promise, I'll get back to you today. Let's connect next week. I'll send it across by EOD. And you don't follow through, you're not just being forgetful. You're training people not to believe you. And worse, you're training yourself not to believe you. And that's where systems quietly start to fail. Because when you say things you don't mean or commit to things you won't deliver, your own goals start to feel optional, your plans negotiable, and your systems just ideas. So here's your system for your word. First, think before you commit. Pause. Ask yourself, can I actually do this? Do I have the time and the bandwidth? If not, say no. It's better to disappoint upfront than disappear later. Second, lock in your yes. Once you say yes, lock it in like a booked flight. Write it down, set a reminder, treat it like a non-negotiable time. Third, follow through. No drama, no last-minute cancellations, no ghosting. If something genuinely unavoidable happens, communicate early and clearly. And the result? Clients trust you, employees take you seriously, and you start trusting yourself again. That's when you feel the shift. That's when your time feels lighter. That's when your systems finally stick. I know it's tempting to overpromise, especially when you mean well. But if you want to build trust, if you're serious about running a self-sufficient business, this is non-negotiable. Your word is your first system. Everything else is built on top of that. If you've liked what I've been talking about, please keep watching these videos. You know there's lots more where that has come from. See you in the next one.